Ant Academy.
Cats, scientifically known as Felis catus, are small, domesticated mammals belonging to the family Felidae. They have been companions to humans for thousands of years and are appreciated for their playful behavior, independence, and affectionate nature. Physical characteristics. Size. Typically weigh between 5 to 20 pounds, depending on breed. Body. Agile, with flexible spines and sharp claws. Senses. Excellent night vision, keen hearing, and a strong sense of smell. Behavior and traits. Playful and curious animals. Known for grooming themselves regularly. Use vocalizations like purring, meowing, and hissing to communicate. Tend to be independent but can form strong bonds with their owners. Diet. Cats are obligate carnivores, meaning they require a diet high in meat. Commercial cat foods are formulated to meet their nutritional needs. Lifespan. Average life expectancy ranges from 12 to 16 years, with some cats living into their 20s. Interesting facts. Cats have retractable claws. They are known for their grooming behavior, which helps keep them clean and regulate body temperature. Purring may indicate contentment or serve as a self-healing mechanism. They have a specialized collarbone that allows them to always land on their feet when falling. Caring for a cat. Provide a balanced diet and fresh water. Regular veterinary checkups. Enrich their environment with toys and scratching posts. Maintain cleanliness of litter boxes. Ensure they have safe outdoor or indoor spaces.
Ant Academy. Please subscribe, like and share.